Welcome to Learning Unit 2-3. Let's see what it has in store for us. So number 1 says multiply, and we're going to use the cancellation technique. And we're looking at A, 4/8 times 4/6. We're going to look at the 8 and the 4. We realize that 4 goes into 8 2 times. So instead of the 4, we put a 1. And in place of the 8, we put a 2. And then the 4 and 6, we figure out what can divide into both, which is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that leaves us with 2 over 2 times 1 over 3. So we can cancel out the 2 over 2, then we multiply the 1, which the 2 over 2 equals 1 now. So 1 times 1 equals 1, and 1 times 3 equals 3, leaving us with 1/3. For B, we have 35 times 4/7. So we're going to do cross multiplying again. Basically 35 is over a 1. So we're going to look at 35 and 7. 7 goes into 35 5 times. That's going to leave us with 5. We multiply 5 times 4 is 20. And then the 1, 35 over 1 times 1 is 1. So we end up with just a 20. Number 2, we're going to multiply, but we're not going to use canceling. We're going to reduce by finding the greatest common divisor. We have 14/15 times 7/10. So we're going to multiply 14 by 7, which equals 98. We've got 15 times 10, which equals 150. We're going to have to figure out what the lowest common denominator is, or the divisor is. So we're going to take 98 and divide that into 150. 98 goes into 150 one time. 98 from 150 leaves us with 52. So we take 52 and then divide 52 into 98. 52 goes into 98 one time. 98 minus 52 leaves us with 46. So we take 46, divide that into 52. 46 goes into 52 one time, leaves us with 6. So we take 6 and divide that into 46. 6 goes into 46 7 times. That's going to leave us with 4. So we take 4, divide that into 6. That goes one time, leaves us with 2. So we take 2, divide that into 4, and that leaves us with 2. So we're going to be able to reduce this number by 2. So 98 divided by 2 is 49. 150 divided by 2 is 75. So we're left with 49/75. For 3a, we have 1/9 divided by 5/6. So we bring down the 1/9. We can do the copy dot flip. 1/9 division changes to multiplication, and the 5/6 turns into 6/5. So 1/9 times 6/5. 1 times 6 is 6. 9 times 5 is 45. We will reduce by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 45 divided by 3 leaves us with 15. So we end up with 2/15. For B, we have 51/5 divided by 5/9. So we're going to copy dot flip. We'll copy the 51 over 5, change the division to multiplication, and flip the last fraction. So instead of 5/9, we have 9/5. We take 51 times 9, which is 459. 5 times 5, which is 25. Then we're going to take 25 into 459, which leaves us with 18, and 9/25. So number 4, we need to convert 8 1/8 to a mixed number so that we can work with it. So 8 times 8 is 64, plus the 1 is 65, which leaves us with 65/8. And because we have the $16,000 for the brother's home, we're going to take 65 over 8 times 16,000 over 1. Figure out cross multiplying, how many times does 8 go into 16,000, which leaves us with 2,000. So 65 times 2,000 is 130,000.